How to change the color of the text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone allows users to create various types of notes, including checklists, text-based notes, and those with multimedia like images, sketches, and even scanned documents. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. Open any note from here. Hold and select a text from here and then tap on the font icon below. You can view and try out all the options below to change the format of the text. From the options, tap on the highlight icon as shown. As you can see, the text is now highlighted. You can also change the highlight color if you want. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change the color of text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.